Hey guys, today I will be reviewing the Finminity project for you. It's a token sale platform for startups and SMEs. If I have to talk about it right now, this project is going to be launching the pre-sale on LID protocol on the 12th of November, 2 p.m. UCT. So you have the chance to buy the tokens at a very low price. Apart from that, the total token supply is 100 million FMT tokens, out of which 30 million is available on LID. I will be telling you in this video about how the whole project works and how to take part in the pre-sale. Let's go. Now we have landed on their website. You will find the website's link in the description below. You can click on it and check out the website one-on-one. First of all, let me give you a quick introduction on Finminity.com's project. As you can see, it's written the most rewarding and flexible token sale platform for startups and SMEs, making fundraising affordable for startups and SMEs through decentralized finance and blockchain. And like I told you, Finminity is going to be having a pre-sale in 2 days as given the timer. So over here you can definitely take part in it. How you can take part in it, how you can buy it, I will be telling you in detail. Let's go to the section where the company is talking about themselves. So Finminity believes that crowdfunding and DeFi-based investment services are made for each other. It has a Finminity token-driven ecosystem, so the platform helps you raise funding in a decentralized manner from a community of investors. It is enabled by a DeFi token engine which creates ERC20 or ERC140 for tokens based on company needs. It also has a decentralized investor services platform powered by Finminity Decentralized Autonomous Organization or DAO for permissioned community and investor voting for resolutions and statutory obligations. DeFi token engine that tokenizes your investments embedded with the requisite regulatory compliances. Integrated fundraising platform in Europe and UAE for primary and secondary sales of tokens. Manage custody and SPV structure and escrow process on blockchain for milestone-based fund release. Blockchain token register and Finminity DAO powered community voting for company resolutions. And easy liquidity and governance to community powered by Finminity tokens. Now when you go to how it works, you will basically see about the company's functions. The company provides audit services where it will help with company valuation, audits and disclosures. KYC where it will do company KYC, or you can say know your business check, investor KYC and AML check, and a proper KYC AML policy. One of the main functions is raising funds where it does listing of companies and onboard investors. It also has its very own buy and sell marketplace. It has a tokenization function that helps with book building, takes care of custodians and does asset tokenization. It provides investor services where it ensures milestone payments are done to the company to keep investor money safe. Then there's investor voting and dividend management. It also has third-party integration. It has loan against shares. It has brokers, dealers, and a portfolio where you can view all your investments and token details. Let's go check out who are Finminity's customers. Companies that would like to raise funds against tokens, investors who are stuck with tokens and would like to sell the tokens to liquidity, crowdfunding operators who would like to use tokens to provide differentiation from traditional crowdfunding platform, use the platform to buy portfolio company token and privately transfer when required, provide buy-sell services of companies through the platform with clear commission structure, chartered accountants and company secretary who needs to provide valuation, dividend distribution, and community investor voting services for compliance. Let's check out their roadmap, what has been achieved till now, and their future plans. So the Finminity journey began in Q2 of 2019 and now it's at Q4 of 2020. It mentions profitability, so it's on track now with the upcoming pre-sale on LID. Let's move on to the FAQ section where you can see that the most important questions about the project has been answered very briefly. What is Finminity platform, where a quick intro is given about the platform. How Finminity platform is safe and secure. Here the key functions are elaborated such as KYC AML checks, audited reports and smart contracts. Then next question explains about milestone based payment release. And lastly, Finminity talks about the blockchain functions used in the platform. The company white paper and pitch deck can be viewed here, which you can read by clicking on it. Now we can see we've come to the most important point, Finminity DeFi tokens. Their token allocation is shown in the form of a pie chart and made available as a PDF as well, explaining the project's entire tokenomics. The token use cases is also stated that will increase the FMT token value. Companies will use the FMT tokens as fees for onboarding, token creation, resolution creation, and dividend distribution. Investors will use FMT tokens for preferred price for all token sale in the platform, voting in the resolutions, take dividends, transaction fees in the secondary market. Custodians will use FMT tokens as fees for agreement signing, pass interest to token holders based on the amount held in escrow. Third parties like fund houses will use FMT tokens for. Banks can be verifying security certificates for loans. Fund houses can use that to create token funds. Then we move on to the section about the company where it's mentioned about its reliability and trustworthiness. It has a marketplace support. Finminity is licensed and regulated. Then there is a mention about the team, technology partners such as Microsoft, Alibaba, Ethereum, Zoho, and Matic, exit success, and the team being professionals in blockchain. This is the section of Finminity's entire team. Then there are articles on the latest insights on the project. And lastly, there is a contact section. So if you have any queries, you can drop in a message and the company will get back to you. So this is the end of the website review. I am attaching the LID protocol presale link in the description box. This link is live, so you can check out that presale page. I'll be attaching Finminity's Medium channel link as well, and you can read the article in details and everything there is to know about the project. Thank you.